don't speak my name no more, just echoes left beneath the door. You vanished in a faded sigh, while stars fell quiet from the sky. I trace the lines we used to share in window panes and midnight air. Each shadow on the bedroom wall reminds me how we had it all. Your coffee is cold, your book unread, that jacket draped where you once said you'd always stay. No need to roam, but silence now has made its home. I walk through rooms and find you there, in scent, in dust, and empty chairs. A song you hummed beneath your breath now haunts these halls in tones of death. The world still spins, but not for me. My time is caught in memories. I try to smile, but all I do is play your voice in endless loops. I found a note you never sent, folded neat with words you meant. It said, I love you, but I'm lost, and dreams like us, they come with cost. So I don't ask the sky for grace, I don't go chasing newer days. I just exist, I breathe, I ache, and try not to let my silence break. But still each night, when lights grow dim, I swear I hear you hum that hymn. And in the dark my chest still swells. Where silence lives, your echo dwells.